Here's a more detailed look at the garden today. I think some of the tree here that's falling down. You can see the lemons are just rotting up there. So I think, and it's, it's really going away here. So it's rotting. And I think there's something that's been living or pooping here. There's poop up there. There and stuff. And over here. Lumps of poopy. Maybe a fox. Yeah, so the fruits are just rotting there, so that needs, maybe the tree's not really worth keeping. That's broken over there. Oh, where is it? There. So, yeah. I'm putting nothing living in there, because I'll be heading in there over the weekend. So it's mostly that side that I'm working on today. You should be able to see that bit there. I can see me. I can see me. I can see me. Look at us again. Oh. Can you bring it a bit closer? Oh. Yeah. Oh, okay, so how it works. Add or so it says there are 2 people watching. Who's that? Well, it's not that exciting, it's just really taking down some trees. And I'm gonna do this for another. I'm gonna do this for another hour or so. And then I'm gonna do some art. I might even do a live with that one too. But yeah. So we'll do another hour here. I wish magically I could just, but I can't. And we'll have to deal with getting rid of the stuff. So yeah, bugs everywhere. Bugs everywhere. I don't know where these bugs come from. Well, I kind of know because coming from the trees. Done. Okay, let's go do some more. I'm gonna move that camera so you can actually see where I am. Over there behind this pillar. But yeah, so you can see what I'm doing. Not that it's that exciting, because it's just that angry woman with gardening tools. But yeah, there you go. I primarily did this because my family's still in the UK and they wanted to know how I was getting on, so they can see. And whoever other family who sister, brothers, anywhere else can also see. And they can go, ha ha. But yeah. Right. So I'm going to move the camera over there. Oh, I feel like I'm covered in bugs. I feel like smoking is, well, this is set to over 18, so shouldn't be any kids watching anyway. So smoking bad for you. So very bad for you. It makes you cough. And also it's don't start. Yeah. It's a nice day.